WhatsApp is finally rolling out its long-awaited self-chat feature to some users on the beta channel. With this new feature, you can effectively chat with yourself, creating a single-person chat window where you can store important messages or files for easy, quick access. These chats can then be read or even forwarded at any point in the future, as finding them is super easy. If you're on the beta channel, you can check out the new feature by going to the Contacts page in the app and looking for the contact that says "Me with a Message Yourself" subtext. The new feature for beta users was spotted first by WA Beta Info. Here's where beta users can find the option. In WhatsApp, go to the Chats tab and select the New Chat option. In the New Chat window, select your own phone number from the contacts list. Your WhatsApp chat with yourself will now open. If you're tired of manually copying and pasting links in WhatsApp, there's good news. A dedicated shortcut is now available to make your life much easier. Unfortunately, the feature is currently only available to WhatsApp beta users. However, if you're patient, the stable version should be released soon enough. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel Gadgets Dev, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Also like and share.